Hi, I'm Mike Doggett from Windermere Real Estate, Citigroup, and I'd like to introduce you to this beautifully updated home, both inside and out, and is on 9 secluded acres located just 10 minutes from downtown Cheney at 21619 West Cameron Road, Cheney, Washington. The outside has beautiful new landscaping, a newly installed cement patio that overlooks the fenced area down below that is perfect for horses or livestock. A new heat pump, AC, and furnace for the house. There are 2 shops. This one is a 25 by 30. And this one is 25 by 37 with a wood-burning stove. There is a newly poured concrete walkway to the new steps that lead you to the house with new paint, steps, and wood window shutters. Step into this house that has high-end laminate floors throughout the entire house, new paint throughout. The spacious kitchen has new stainless steel appliances, new sink, and new lighting. New blinds, new moldings around the floors, doors, and windows. The full bathroom in the hallway has a new toilet, sink, mirror, and light fixtures. Guest bedroom was included in the complete remodel with new floors and paint. The spacious primary suite has double closets, new floors, and paint. The attached 3/4 bathroom with new toilet, sinks, mirror, and light fixtures. And this room makes a great office or could be an extra guest room. There is so much more to this house that you've just got to see. I hope you have found this information useful. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you have any additional questions about real estate or the home buying and selling process, you can comment below or contact me directly. I'd be honored to help guide you through the real estate process. And if you know anybody who's thinking about moving to our beautiful Spokane area, please let them know about this. Once again, thanks for taking the time, and we'll talk to you soon.